this ugly.
Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna see how to replace take out what they call a sensor, a page sensor on a Ricoh 201 or 171 or 161 or 1515. Those machines are the same. I think also on other Ricohs like a 301. Here we have a 301. You can see this is a 301. So also you do the same thing because the design is the same anyway. So make sure you don't put your printer upside down because you're gonna cause a lot of issues. So what you got to do is let me switch on some light here for you. Yes, you're gonna just lift the printer a bit and then you have access to this place. Once you have access, this is the sensor. You see this thing, sometimes you can find that let me shift it a bit. Okay, yeah, this is the sensor. Can you see that black thing? Yeah, that's the sensor. So it sits there. So since it sits there, so in most cases sometimes you can find somebody putting papers and this thing came out. So if it comes out, sometimes this, let me get it for you. You can see something simple. You can see how it looks like. So if you find this wire is not connected, so what you do, you connect this. Simple to connect. By putting it back, it sits here. Let me see. I'm not comfortable fine because I don't want to do the machine like the way. Okay, what you do, this is the sensor. You can see this part here and this part here. Let me show you. Yeah, you see there are 3 holes there. So those 3 holes, so these teeth, they sit in there, the tooth sit, and it's very easy even to know that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the 2-1 and you can see I put it in here. You just have to press that in. Sometimes it's a challenge when you're working alone. Okay, when it clips in, you just know that you're fine. So but another side it didn't clip in, so I have to make sure it clips in. You see it came out now. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm doing the right thing and you got to see what's going on here. Okay, well, you can see what I'm touching here. Let me get something. You get the idea, I think, but I want you to see exactly what I'm doing. So I cannot put the machine upside down because I'm gonna cause many issues. So you can see here. Let me put it in. Yes, 2 are in. Once, yeah. You can see now. The sensor is in now. So I did put it in. You can see it's fine. So even if I shake it, it can't go out because I pressed it nicely. So the trick is to first use these 2 hooks in, then the third one just press it in that side. So you can see there's something which didn't go in well. You can see it has to move well, so I have to take it out again and put it. Okay, so it has to, this sensor has to dance, to go up and down. So you see it has to, when you put in that sensor, you make sure it has some movement. I want to show you. can see what it does. It has to do like this, because paper is gonna come and touch here and push it inside to indicate to the machine that there is some papers. So if it's like 100% off, it means there is no papers. So when you put it in, you see the first time I put it in, it was not dancing, so it should dance, which means it should have some movement. I'm gonna put it in here the way I did. I'm gonna use 2 hands. I'm gonna pause this, then we'll continue after. As we said, it was difficult for me to use one hand recording, one hand putting in the sensor. So now putting the sensor in a right position, as I told you, now you can see it dances. It has to have this movement to know that the sensor has been installed 100%. So you can see this, the teeth. Also make sure that this cable is inside. In most cases, when it comes out, also it takes out this socket. So this thing is something you have to connect, because this is the one which transmits the communication from the sensor to the motherboard to tell you that there's no papers or what. Once this is disconnected, it means you're not going to have your machine work, because it's going to be reporting that there is no papers into the tray. Right, guys? So I think I'm done with that. So other stuff you can talk about could be beyond the scope of this. There's some noise there because some technicians are busy doing other machines, but this one was stripped off. They want to fix other stuffs like the fuser unit and all that. It comes straight and connect here to the board. This is the board of this machine. So if you find a machine like this 201, no 201, yes, 171, 161 and 1515, what I've done, it can be done on those machines. So all of those machines, you can install the sensors like that. Also, another one which I showed you here is the same here. You can see this machine also, it has the sensor down. It's called the 301. So these machines are almost the same. The design change a bit and the software change. This one, they gave it a completely different design, but they use same drums, but the toner is different anyway. They use most of the parts are the same with this machine, these machines, but this one they didn't change the design was not changed. What they did, they only changed the software. All the parts are the same. So the 201, 161, 1515, all parts are the same. The only difference could be the what? The software. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.